What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here in a 2017 Dodge Durango RT. And if you're curious how to use the feature called Adaptive Cruise Control, for mine, the enable button is right down here. So notice, we're coming up on this truck in front of us, and I've already got it set to 75 miles per hour. And you can also set how far away you want your car to stay from the car in front of you. So that would be further away, that would be closer to. Okay, so let's just watch what's going on here. I'm going to pick up on this truck just a tad. All right, and as I get closer now, my feet are off the pedals down here. You want to do this safely, of course. But as my car gets close to it, like I'm probably, 100 feet or so from that truck, and it's now maintaining this distance because we're definitely not going 75 miles per hour that I had set. So it's just a good way you can relax a little bit, relax your feet while you're on a highway drive like this. Now the cool thing is, if this truck changes lanes and gets out of my path, my vehicle will then pick up speed and get back to what the speed I set. So that's very cool. Let's see here. Hold on one second. I'm going to change lanes, get into this open lane, and I'm picking up speed. 75 miles per hour. Now we're passing the vehicle that was going probably 73, 72, something like that. And off we go. And my feet are still not on the accelerator. Okay, so now we're going to gain on this next truck. As we get close to him, I can feel the car slightly braking. I can see my speedometer. I'm going down. He's probably set at 70 on his cruise. 68, going down. So the car is doing all this for me. And I kind of like it. I don't use it very much, but I also don't drive on highways all that much either like this. So it's a good way, especially if you're on a long trip and you just want to relax your feet a little bit, or, whatever your reason is. It works quite well. Another feature is called Lane Sense, where the vehicle will actually stay in a lane that you tell it to. I'm not a big fan of that one, because it allows the car to drift all the way to the edge of the lane before it brings it back. So that is a fail, in my opinion, on the designers of this feature. So I don't know if it's any better on newer cars, because this is a 2017 in 2024. So, not a big fan of Lane Sense. But anyway, it's called Adaptive Cruise Control. And if anything in our videos helped you out or taught you something or saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation if you feel like it. We really appreciate it. Same with any monetized YouTube channel. If they help you out, yeah, it's nice that we hear that it helped you and you say thank you and all that. But to really help, shoot us a super thanks with a minor donation, and we really appreciate it. Anyway, that's it. Look at our social media links and eBay store links on the description of this video. And you'll have a great day.